Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to cancel subscription on Tinder. So Tinder is the most popular app. So this dating app is very popular, so you can see many girls profiles are here. So simply what we need to do, just when we click on these buttons, you can see many profiles appear. So when we click on this button, you can see this subscription icon is available, but we don't have subscribe any package yet. So just what we need to do, just go back and you can see here the likes and all options. So what we need to do, just open your profile and now just click on the setting option. So here you can see these three subscriptions, but we don't have subscribed yet. So when you subscribe this package, you just click on the relevant package. So if you have subscribed any package, you can easily cancel your subscription here.